In Spain, two teams from Madrid who don't particularly like each other. Stay tuned, we'll bring you all the action live from the Bernabeu as Real Madrid face Atletico. Hello and welcome to one of the most recognisable venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu here in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, ready to bring you match commentary, and alongside me is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you the second leg of this quarter-final tie. It's Real Madrid against Atletico Madrid.
Well, Derek, Real showed their class in that first game. They dominated midfield, they passed the ball with great purpose, and they worked so hard to win it back. I'm sure we'll see more of that again today.
And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead, it certainly wasn't a clean tackle. And the referee has got to book him, I think. Well, there we have it. The first yellow card of the game.
And he's going to have to be careful now. There's a long time to go here.
Wonderfully weighted pass. And not the best clearance. And I think the threat has been averted. Won it back. Oh, he looks threatening. Oh, could be. In it goes! An early opening statement in this match. And look at the celebrations.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease. And it's just a change of pace. And the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Well, that is how to nullify the opposition. The pass could do damage. Prepared to take on the shot. Well, the keeper is happy, the bar was there.
Well, they won't come much closer than that. It's a matter of inches from being a really good goal.
Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. Atletico regaining possession. Griezmann. And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Well, not the best effort we've ever seen, Stuart.
Well, I think it's fair to say he won't be taking the next one.
Benzema. And it's a quality pass. Well, getting boot on ball, but that's disappointing.
Well, there was lots of power in it, but he just couldn't control the shot. That's a very poor finish.
Griezmann. Luis Suarez. Now Versalco. Lost possession. That's what you call defending from the front. Possibilities here. And given away by Atletico. And that is the ideal tackle from Stefan Savic. Luis Suarez. On to De Paul. Griezmann. Well, the intervention was by Luka Modric, a good one. Benzema. Well, he'll be irked with himself. Ran into an offside position. Suarez. Savic now. Luis Suarez. Savic. Griezmann. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Carrasco. Well, they did have the ball, but not anymore. Benzema. And very deftly cut out. Koke. Carrasco. Crossed into the penalty area. Struggling to get it away. Possession one. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. He's going forward with authority here, Benzema. And the first half is in the history books here at the Bernabeu. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far, and now the second half is underway. Versalco. On to De Paul. Luis Suarez at the ready. Well, in fact, a good but straightforward claim by the keeper. And there to intervene. And beating the defender. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. And now the delivery. And it still could be dangerous. Terrific save. Now sending it in. Not at all problematic for the goalkeeper. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Jan Oblak, fantastic between the posts. And here's a change now for Atletico. Who can they pick out? The referee has decided to give the free kick to Atletico. De Paul. And here's Lemar. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. It's there for him. And up for grabs off the keeper. Well, nothing untoward happened.
Well, you won't see too many better saves than that. It was just brilliant.
Griezmann. Going for the dink. Spectacular save. Top-class goalkeeping. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. And Casemiro, his pass gobbled up. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Griezmann. Now Suarez. He'll take efforts like that all day long. Pull from the keeper and they'll come again. Lemar. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Given away by Real Madrid. Carrasco. Suarez. Carrasco, and the flag does go up, must have been tight. It is an Atletico substitution. David Alaba. Vinicius Junior. Well, they have the ball once more. Malemar. Oh, could be. Vital intervention. And here's a change now for Atletico. Corner kick from Koke. And cleared away. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Can they keep it going? And denied by the post. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. Carrasco. On the ball, João Felix. Benzema. And a long way out here. Well, a long-distance effort and a highly respectable one, Stuart.
Well, he surprised everybody, including me. It's a decent effort, you have to say.
We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Felix. Opportunity, Carrasco. And rattling the post. And this time it's in. Fabulous goal. And just look at the celebrations. And that's it, the final whistle. And the hosts will go through.
Well, I thought they were excellent over the 2 games. They controlled the midfield areas, they were clever around the box, and they looked dangerous in the wide areas. They were 2 really good performances.